Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over a neck assessment that you can do whether you're sitting or standing. What I want you to do is completely relax your neck muscles and see which direction your head falls. For example, my head fell backwards, but for most of you, since you're on your computers, you're studying, you're sitting down, or you're looking at your phones, your head's gonna fall forward. What I want you to do is periodically check this for any position that you're in to see if your head is falling forward. If it is consistently, your neck muscles in the back here are gonna be constantly on, and they're gonna be too stiff and too tightened. That can lead to neck and or shoulder pain. So if you try this test out and you find you're always falling forward, you need to get into positions which allow you to be more vertical and upright so that your head, what I can call, will weeble wobble. And what that means is it might go backward, but it also might go forward. If you're ensuring that you get a weeble wobble position, your front neck muscles and your back neck muscles are working in unison to help balance you out at all times, so we're not just constantly working these posterior or back neck muscles. I came up with this test because I saw clients consistently in this forward head posture, so I needed to have them check for themselves if their head was falling forward. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you get something out of it, give me the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.